Preparing a calm environment. Choose a quiet, dimly lit place where you won't be disturbed. This is the foundation of a successful projection attempt. Soft lighting, a comfortable temperature, and minimal noise help your mind shift out of daily alertness and into a receptive inner state. When the environment feels safe and still, your brain naturally reduces external sensory processing, making it easier to slip into altered states of awareness. Relaxing the body fully. Lie down comfortably and release tension from head to toe, intentionally softening each muscle group. This step is crucial because any physical discomfort, even slight, can pull you back into full waking consciousness. A fully relaxed body tells your brain it's safe to approach the sleep paralysis threshold, the same state where many out-of-body experiences naturally occur. The deeper the relaxation, the easier the energetic shift becomes. Slowing and deepening the breath. Deep, rhythmic breathing calms the nervous system and shifts you from fight or flight into a meditative, trance-friendly state. Slow breathing increases alpha and theta brainwaves, the very frequencies associated with meditation, lucid dreaming, and inner exploration. Each slow inhale lengthens your awareness, and each exhale releases physical and mental tension. This creates the perfect inner stillness needed to reach the vibrational stage, entering the hypnagogic half-sleep state. This is the dreamy, floating stage between wakefulness and sleep, where your mind becomes more internal and imaginative. Your body begins to feel heavy or distant, as if it's sinking or melting, while your awareness stays lightly present. Flashes of imagery, colors, sounds, or drifting thoughts may appear, all signs that your brain is shifting into theta wave activity. This state is ideal for projection because your physical senses quiet down, allowing the astral or subtle senses to become more noticeable. Silencing inner mental noise. To move deeper, you must quiet the constant stream of thoughts. Techniques like counting breaths, imagining a gentle sphere of light, or repeating a simple mantra help anchor your awareness. The goal isn't to force silence, but to let thoughts fade naturally by giving your mind something calm to focus on. When mental chatter stops, your consciousness loosens from the physical world, creating the mental clarity needed for separation to occur. Feeling the vibrational stage. Many beginners experience buzzing, tingling, warmth, or waves of electrical-like energy moving through the body. This vibrational state is a classic sign that your consciousness is starting to disconnect from your physical form. The sensations may intensify, pulse, or spread throughout your whole body. Instead of resisting or getting startled, allow the vibrations to wash over you. They are simply the energetic shift that happens as awareness moves toward the astral layer. Using a separation technique, rope roll out. Once the vibrations stabilize, apply a gentle exit method to shift your awareness out of the physical body. Visualize pulling yourself upward using an invisible rope as if your non-physical self is climbing out. Or imagine slowly rolling to the side without moving your physical muscles. Some people prefer the feeling of floating upward like a balloon. These techniques give your mind a clear, non-physical movement to follow, helping the astral body detach smoothly, staying calm during exit. As the separation begins, strong sensations, floating, weightlessness, or sudden clarity can trigger excitement or fear. Either emotion can pull you back immediately into your physical body. The key is to stay emotionally neutral and simply observe the process. Imagine yourself becoming lighter, softer, and more relaxed. The calmer you remain, the more stable and clear the projection will be, allowing you to complete the exit fully. Exploring the astral space safely. Once free, move slowly and deliberately to avoid overwhelming your senses. Set a simple intention, like exploring your room, meeting a guide, or observing your surroundings. Staying aware and grounded helps you avoid drifting into dreamlike confusion. For beginners, it's best to explore nearby, familiar spaces first. Treat the astral like learning to walk in a new environment. Patience, Awareness and respect will help you grow steadily and safely. Returning to the body intentionally. When you're ready to end the session, simply shift your focus back towards your physical body. Thinking about your breath, your heartbeat, or the sensation of lying down acts like a magnet that pulls your awareness back. Many people re-enter instantly the moment they decide to. Taking one deep, intentional breath usually completes the return smoothly. A conscious, gentle return prevents the jolt. That sometimes happens when the projection ends abruptly. Grounding after the experience. Once you're fully awake, grounding helps reconnect your awareness with your physical senses. Stretching, moving your fingers and toes, drinking water, or touching the floor or an object brings your energy back into balance. These simple actions prevent lingering dizziness, dreaminess, or emotional residue. Grounding also helps integrate any insights you gained during the projection, making the experience feel clearer and more stable. Keeping a projection journal. Right after the session, write down everything: sensations, visuals, emotions, what triggered the projection, and what interrupted it. Journaling strengthens your recall because astral memories fade quickly, much like dreams. Over time, your journal will reveal patterns, the best times, techniques, and mental states that work for you. This self-tracking dramatically speeds up progress and sharpens your ability to enter and control the projection state consistently.